This is a vacuum layout for a 74 914 1.8 liter with the L-Jetronic. So start from the intake boot. You've got two vacuum lines that branch off here. First one goes into your aux air regulator, which then has a short little tube that feeds into the manifold. So you can see that little guy there. Then the other one runs across town to the decel valve. So this is the line from the intake, and then this is the line that goes into the manifold right below there. It gets its signal from the green line, which also senses the manifold pressure, so they both plug in right there. Going back to the intake boot, you've got your oil cap vent. So this cap is sealed, and when it gets pressure, it'll open up into the intake boot. Then you have the intake boot gasket, and then you have two vacuum lines on the throttle body. So this lower small one, both of them feed to the distributor vacuum advance, but the lower small one feeds to the back, and the far side toward the rear of the car feeds to the front. So the last thing I can't show here because the engine's out of the car is your charcoal canister. This one's least likely to give you problems as far as running, but definitely problems with smell. So out of the fan housing into the charcoal canister, there's also the hard vacuum line, and then out of the charcoal canister into the airbox lid. However, that even if that's plugged on the airbox lid, it would still be, the air coming in there would still be metered air. One little thing that I skipped here, so this line decel valve, it also has a T, and that T runs underneath and around over to your fuel pressure regulator. So those are all the different vacuum connections on a 74 1.8.